welcome back to my channel and another video. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. So firstly, I'll start off by saying this. I did not post a video last week simply because there was nothing for me to show you guys. There was no setups for me. There was no trades, nothing A+. I didn't like anything, so I didn't want to waste your time. However, I was going to post a day in the life, but the editing on that and the way the video was recorded was pretty messed up. It was my first video, so I do apologize about that. Now let's get into the analysis. So the week before last week, I discussed a couple of trades which played out perfectly. I myself took these trades, and I really do hope some of you guys capitalized on them as well. So let's start off with NZD CAD. This trade hit take profit yesterday before market close. Actually, no, it didn't hit take profit. My take profit was around this level, but I've been in this trade since the 5th of August. I thought I'm 10 pips away from take profit. Market's closing in 10 minutes. And you know what? There's just no point. Market could open literally somewhere down here on Sunday. Who knows? So I'm not going to bother holding this. I'm going to take profit off the table, and that's exactly what I did. So yeah, an amazing trade. And then I spoke about Aussie NZD shorts. Amazing. I still believe we're going to take out these equal lows, and we're going to potentially, retrace or maybe even reverse on this pair. Euro NZD, I spoke about shorts on this. Euro CAD, I'm short on this. I've been in drawdown since the 13th of August, and honestly, I don't care. I'm still short on it. I'm not going to change my bias. Let's see how this plays out next week. US oil, I'm long on this. Please ignore this RR tool. For some reason, this chart is completely different to my brokers. So yeah, let's get into what I've got for next week. Some amazing setups potentially. Let's have a look. So starting off with euro dollar. As you can see, we were trending bullish on this pair. I'm still bullish on this pair, but there has never been a time in Forex where price continuously goes up and up and up. It's always going to come back and retrace before going higher or lower. So what's happened over here is we've taken liquidity from the highs. Now what I am expecting this to do is maybe form a bearish candle on the daily, or give me some form of a bearish structure for me to get involved in shorts on Euro USD and targeting discount prices. So I'm going to draw out my premium discount tool. Any form of a bearish structure over here, if we get this break of structure and a retest into an imbalance or a fib level or however you trade, I am going to be looking for shorts on this. I think we could take out all of this liquidity and maybe come into this imbalance over here before continuing higher. And I have the exact same setup for GU. Whichever of them presents themselves first, I'm going to be involved in that. If I want to get involved in both, I'm going to lower my risk like I've done with previous setups. I'll risk 0.5. So same with this one. We've taken out liquidity on the 4-hour time frame. I'm just waiting for some sort of a structure shift, and once I see that, I'll be involved in some lovely shorts. So any sort of structure shift, I'm liking shorts on this pair until we reach discount prices. Okay, so that's EU and GU done. Now if I'm looking for EU and GU shorts, it only makes sense for me to look for Euro GBP longs. So looking at the daily time frame, it's actually looking really good. You can see we were trending bearish. What happened over here, we had a sweep of liquidity, and what confirms this as a sweep is a break of structure to the upside once we've taken this low, right? So because we had this huge push up to the upside with like a lot of momentum, and we've come down pretty slow compared to how fast we've gone up, and now we're coming into an area of interest. We've got an order block right over here, and we've also got a bit of an imbalance as well. I'll just draw that higher a little. We've tapped into it now. I'm going to look for some sort of a bullish confirmation before I go long on this pair. So yeah, that's on the daily or on the 4-hour, any sort of bullish candle, a bullish confirmation, I am looking to long this pair. Last pair I'm looking at is Swissy JPY. On the weekly time frame, you can see we've got a bit of an imbalance right over here. On the daily time frame, we've got an imbalance as well. But this pair is way more cleaner on the 4-hour for me anyway. Every time we've taken liquidity, this pair is melted. Liquidity, meltdown, liquidity, meltdown. And now we've got equal highs over here. And we've got a 4-hour order block. So we've got a weekly imbalance, we've got a daily imbalance, and we've also got a 4-hour order block, and we've got equal highs. And the price is coming up to that area extremely choppy. And we've got a bit of a trend line forming over here. Sell side liquidity building up. I'm expecting this to come higher into this area, take out the equal highs, and then I want to see some sort of confirmation to go short on this pair. So only these 4 pairs I'm looking at. If you want to see anything else I'm interested in as the week develops, do follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave the details in the description below, and I'll keep you updated with the trades that I'm in. And there's a lot more content coming on this channel, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again next week with another video. Until then, bye.